A program was organized on Wednesday on the occasion of the 47th Foundation Day of Nava Angikar Social and Cultural Organization and 163rd birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore in Bordwali, Madhapara of the capital. AMC Mayor Deepak Majumdar attended the program as a chief guest. As a part of the program, clothes are distributed among the needy people of the area on this day. Plantation is also done as well. Apart from AMC Mayor Deepak Majumdar, Corporator Shampa Sargar Chaudhary and others were present on the occasion. Reported by Pranab from Agartala, Chini Khorang.